ends up being up a little higher. I don't know if it's high enough though. Sorry, it's been a little crazy the last couple hours. Yep. We have Shelly. Say hello to Shelly. She lives across the street. She's flooded out, so she's hanging with us. Oh my God. What? We are doing this. Yeah. There's Jack.
There's ducks.
They're there. They made it back.
Sorry about
It's been a
what?
little crazy the last couple hours.
4 feet?
4 feet till the canal hits us, and it's not good. We're just hoping we don't get water. And the entire front street of the river I don't know. It keeps flowing that way and it dumps into another canal and goes into the river, we'll be okay. But there's that property. So our daylight's going, but what, 3 more hours, right?
11 o'clock, yeah.
We're thinking 3 or 4 more hours, and most of this should be out of here. Not the water, of course. Good morning. It's starting to get light out, and it's not pretty. Surreal. We have coffee. Generator. No water. Shut the water down, and of course no power. And we'll see. I don't know if you can see that. We got a boat on the property up down there. That's how high the water got.